Hey, it's John. And if you're not using automation, you're wasting both time and money. This chart here will guide you and your organization or team to build automation where appropriate to leverage your human capability. Most people don't understand online automation. They don't realize that almost all of your little cyber chores can be done automated and inexpensively. So many users think that automation is too expensive or meant for larger enterprises, but let's take a dive into that. If any part of your business depends on the internet, automation can save you a lot of time, whether it's automatically processing orders, keeping an eye on your competitors, or just some routine cyber chores. Let's take a deep dive. These are the jobs that your business might be doing. Your customers are going through the acquisition and purchase and installation phase. Well, you have a training team that helps them learn to use and set up. They know how to store it, they know how to maintain it, they know how to upgrade, replace, or even dispose of your product if it's consumable. Your organization has strategic compliance objectives that you want to achieve. This is your mission, vision, and values. But let's check too. You want your operational security and privacy to be afforded to your clients, securing their digital assets, their information, offering confidentiality, integrity, availability on high scaling and performing devices, and safety. Then we'll talk about the tactical components, where technology, people, data, and process come together. At the end, we're going to understand your job performers, of which is the who, and what jobs they're performing, how they're doing it, the circumstances, and the needs of why. We'll bring understanding, awareness, and execution to your organization by appropriately defining jobs to processes with what your business does. So let's zoom out. What do we have? We have our dashboard and we have our stages and phases, and we'll go into both of those shortly. But let's take a quick look and make sure that you're really using the right systems to build your tool. On the left side here, we have our value. This is your product or service that your company offers. Your company has a gain creator or a pain reliever. This is one half of your roadmap. We'll talk about gain creators and pain relievers in a minute. On this side, we have our customer segment. Your customer, those jobs we talked about earlier, and the service or product you provide either relieves a pain or is a gain. The best products created are both. That's the other half of your roadmap. So, to create a product roadmap, to understand what we're doing, we need to understand our products and services, how it is creating a gain, how it's relieving a pain, and our customer. What are their needs, their wants, their desires? But we have to understand the customer journey, the acquisition process. So let's take a quick look into our customer profile. Our customer profile, we move from first thought to deciding, consuming, complete, and satisfaction. Our customers are going to take a journey, and we have to understand that journey, what it's going to be like, and what their experience is going to be. So let's start that customer journey and see if we can find places that we could automate. The job that your customer has hired you for will move them into a new circle in the hierarchy. Well, that customer will learn, discover, decide, and plan about how they're going to integrate your process, product, or process or service in their life. Is it a good fit? This is going to lead to the next circle. That customer is going to uh, purchase, set up, use, and modify the product or service that you've shared with them. After that, they move to this last circle, right? We hope that they're going to upgrade. We hope that they're going to renew, but we do need to account for churn. That customer will eventually leave, but could they return? A satisfied customer will. So what we've discussed here is automation can save you time and money.